Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then at the bottom right corner you need to click on your profile image button. Here it is. After that, you need to make sure you logged in your account you want to delete. So after that, at the top right corner you need to click on the three lines button right up here, and then you need to click on the first one option, Account Center. Then you will see this interface. You need to scroll down a little bit and then find Personal Details option. Here it is. Then click on the last option, Account Ownership and Control. Then Deactivation or Deletion. Then you need to choose account you want to delete. Then you can choose if you want to deactivate account or permanently delete your account. So if you want to delete your account, you need to click on the second option. Here it is. Then Continue button. After that, you will see this interface. You need to choose why you want to delete your account. For example, created a second account. Then click on the Continue button. Then Continue again. After that, you need to enter your password, or if you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button and then recover your password, and after that enter this password here. Then click on the Continue button, and then after that your account will be deleted. And that's all, and that's how to delete your Instagram account. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.